So friends, right off the bat, we have to know this about God: nobody is greater than He. Nobody is greater than He. Nobody is stronger than He. If you know that about God, then I think you could have a very productive life. Why do you want to exalt yourself to the throne of the Most High as the devil did? You want me to look that up? Wait, let's keep a steady hand here. I will exalt myself. Above the Most High. This is in Isaiah, so this is the Old Testament. Can you relate? But I prefer not to use the King James Version. He's talking about Satan here. Satan, our adversary, who was originally Lucifer, the light bringer. He was talking directly to the devil. You said in your heart, I will ascend to the heavens. I will raise my throne above the stars of God. I will sit on the mount of assembly in the far reaches of the earth. I will ascend above the tops of the clouds. I will make myself like the Most High. But you will be brought down to Sheol, to the lowest depths of the pit. I mean, it sounds like a lot of Democrats to me.